All the rolling water and all the rushing wind sweeps up around us and pulls me back in. I thought I could kiss you.
Day 4 of our journey and good so far. We're going to the Ganpatipule. So one of the best coastal road. Plan is to go to Harihareshwar to settle down. So we traveled just 229 kilometers yesterday. We are moving out of Ratnagiri now. So the journey continues. Weather is beautiful. Time is around 7:45. ठीक है. So this is the road to Ganpatipule. Beautiful. Wow. चाय मिलेगा?
We are right in between RA and Ware Beach. So just walking by. So we are at the Ware viewpoint. The beach that you see there is the RA Beach. Then this road comes straight through. Now this will head towards Ware Beach, which I will show you in a moment. There if you can see. So this is the viewpoint where we had a cup of tea here, and that's the Ware Beach. We're heading down there. We'll just spend some time and come back.
So this is the entrance, I believe. The Ganpatipule. Not sure. वो ये बीच रोड में जाना तो कैसे जाना है? ओके, ये होटल स्वाति का है. हाँ, तो ऐसे जाना पड़ता है क्या? लेकिन गाड़ी नहीं जा सकता है. वो मंदिर बंद है. ओके, बीच जा रहा है क्या? ओके, गाड़ी यहाँ पे रह सकता है यहाँ पे. तो इधर जाना है क्या? We left the Ganpatipule Beach and had a breakfast there. Had a nice pav bhaji and a vada pav. So now heading to Jaigad Fort. It's around 20 kilometers from here.
अरे पूरा हिल रहा है रे, पूरा हिल रहा.
Yeah, not bad. So let me stand here. Yes. Okay, checklist done. Done with the checklist. So 5 kilometers from Jaigad Fort. Oh, it's huge, man. Huge. JSW जिंदाल है ना? नहीं ना? जिंदाल है ना? हाँ, जिंदाल सिल्वर. Okay. Jaigad Fort now.
We can sleep on our low, we can cross so many roads, go higher than you and I will take you on my back, in your hands between the clouds, go higher than you and I.
Let's go to the top. We may get a nice view on that side.
So higher than you and I will take you on my back to see your lips open your eyes, so higher than you and I.
Jaigad Fort. This is the thing. JSW. Steelwork. Jindal. And this side is
We can sleep on our low, we can cross so many roads, go higher than you and I will take you on my back, in your hands between the clouds, go higher than you and I.
It's 10:30 now. 10:40 to the ferry. So ferry is just 5 minutes away from here. So we'll look at the timing on the internet and it's around 11:40 every. आगे. So every 40 minutes, 1 hour 40 minutes, like 10:40, 11:40 like that. So every 1 hour there is a ferry. So if we can catch that, we are good. Sir, ferry. इस तरफ. Okay, ferry is this way. Okay, that map is showing you here. This is the Jaigad ferry point. Okay. And ferry is not at reach here.
रीच हुआ है कि निकल गया है? पे करना है ना? भाव दो मोटरसाइकिल.
So we are here. Dabhol. So we'll take this and we'll go from here, and we can take this one more ferry here. This is the ferry. We will take this as well. Huh? So we reach the other side. There you go. We reached. चल हाँ चल 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 Now we are heading to Dapoli. So from Dapoli we're gonna plan what is the next hop gonna be. Today we are planning to stay at Hariyareshwar or Velase. If possible, we're gonna go a little further. Currently the idea is to go to Dapoli and have lunch. Road seems to be okay. We have booked a hotel in Divegar, 87 km, but we'll need around 3 hours to reach there. Passing through one more ferry, that will be our third ferry in Maharashtra.
महाराष्ट्र का घाट सब कैसा है पता है? पहाड़ सब छोटा छोटा है, तू उठा तो नीचे उतरा. कर्नाटका का घाट सब देखना तू बड़ा है, बट फ्यूअर, बड़ा और फ्यूअर है. यहाँ पे क्या तू उठा चढ़ा थोड़े टाइम बाद उतर गया. तो पहाड़ सब छोटा छोटा है यहाँ. आज यहाँ पे टेंट लगा के सो रहे हैं. तो क्या उसका वेडिंग फोटोग्राफी कर रहा है क्या? सामने वाले का जा आगे है ना.
Oh. This was the last clip of the day. We reached Divegar around 7 PM. Since my GoPro battery was drained out, I couldn't take any videos. Divegar was pretty isolated place. Due to COVID, everything was closed. Somehow we managed to find a restaurant and had our dinner.